I'll walk from here to that mall. We'll see. Come on, let's go. Excuse me, excuse me. We'll see how many minutes going there. It says 7 minutes. Look at this. 7 minutes to walk. Okay, Dad, let's cross. Crossing. We're crossing. Careful. Look at that bridge. It's okay. Okay. We're wearing masks. So, where are we going now? Maybe we can go inside here. Here. I don't know if we can go inside. Oh, here. Let's cross there. Huh? Where's the crossing? Okay. How many minutes now? It's 2 minutes and 58. Oh, 3 minutes now. Here we can cross here. Slow down. It's slow down. I'm crossing. Okay. Let's walk. Yes. I think they're gonna check our bag. Hello. Hi.
Thank you.
Huh? Pwede bang pumasok sa Ayala from here? Is this the Ayala Mall?
Yes, ma'am. Ayala Mall.
Ito na.
Ito na.
Okay, thank you. So this is Ayala Mall. So, malapit lang naman pala eh. Right? Yeah. This is Ayala Mall. They're still doing construction here. Ah. Remember this? Ilaw, ilaw. Ilaw, ilaw. I think that's owned by